Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix touch vibration problem on Realme phone device. So guys, when you tap on your phone and guys your phone Realme phone vibrate, so how to fix touch vibration problem in this video friends we will talk about one by one and step by step friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting, and friends before on phone setting friends you can see when guys you tap on your screen your phone and your Realme phone vibrate, and when you tap on your phone keyboard, so your phone vibrates. So how to fix touch vibration problem on Realme phone device? Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see friend this type interface on your Realme phone. Friends, click on Realme phone sound vibration setting. Friends, scroll it, and friends you can see do not disturb setting, phone ringtone setting, notification ringtone setting. So friends, click on more sound and haptic setting. Friends, you want to use a system sound setting, dial pad tone, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, phone delete sound, touch sound, so you can on and you can use. Friends, click on vibrate on touch and click here. So guys, now your problem will solve. Friends, you can tap on your Realme phone screen, and guys your Realme phone will not vibrate. And friends, you can tap on your keyboard and you can use your keyboard guys without touch vibration on your Realme phone device. And friends, you want to use your vibrate on touch setting, so open your phone setting, click on search option, and then search here touch vibration setting guys. Touch vibration setting friends, you can see touch sound, touch vibrate on touch setting, click here. Direct friends you can on, and guys now you will click guys on your keyboard, and guys you will click on your phone, this three button, your Realme phone vibrate. So friends, click here, your problem will solve. You can tap on your screen, you can tap on your button, you can use your keyboard without touch vibration. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends understood how to fix touch vibration problem on Realme phone.